Well, that's by telling stories would help. You know, in a way, like we've been telling stories to each other. You pick something. So I'm a really big fan of like the story behind the story. So you could sort of say we're publishing a book, for example, with Common, and it's called We Shall Rise. It's a new look about self-care. Now there's one little scene in that book where Common is a 12-year-old boy, and his father got him a job as the at the basketball, wiping, in between games, wiping the players' sweat off the court. So that's sort of like a great thing for a young boy in Chicago to have. And then Michael Jordan played his first game for the Chicago Bulls right there. And someone took a photo of Michael Jordan doing a big leap, and Common there as a 12-year-old boy with his towels with the sweat, looking up at admiration. And they sent a note to say, two great things coming out of Chicago. So that's a tiny little bit of the book, but now I'm super interested in that story. And so find the story that's adjacent, that lets people into your story. Don't try and give them. Storytelling is not a show. It's not about telling people what happened. It's the opposite of being a witness.
I feel like there's more in that.